All right, we are on to video 2 of 3 of our new January young adult titles here at the Chippewa Falls Public Library. Thank you for joining me. My name is Jenna, and I'm very excited to share more titles with you. So let's jump right into the box. We'll start off with a graphic novel called Bloom. My kid cannot put this one down. They have read it, I can't even tell you how many times. This one is emotional and raw and real and hopeful. It's a graphic novel that blends baking and young love and family drama. It's called Bloom. Let's see. Here is a really fun one that I can't wait to dive into. It's called Rural Voices. And this one appealed to me because I grew up on a farm in the middle of nowhere, and I definitely lived in a rural location. If you enjoy shorter stories about real people and that is your jam, then Rural Voices is for you. You can visit America through the eyes and voices of 15 authors who have seen and lived their versions of America. Explore the beauty, the challenges, and the nuances of our country at a time when it's very difficult to safely and physically travel around. Again, that's called Rural Voices. Oh, a series that I listened to on audiobook. This one is the first book in the series. It's called Spin the Dawn. So when I first picked it up, it was advertised as a cross between like Mulan and fashion shows, but that does not give it justice. There's so much more to this really exciting mythological and fantasy novel. It's a lush adventure, and this is the first of the series, like I said. It's inspired by Asian folktales and mythology. It's action-packed, it's magical, and otherworldly. I really recommend the audiobook as well. Again, it's called Spin the Dawn, and look at that cover. This main character was probably one of my favorite female main characters that I listened to last year. Spin the Dawn. Oh, I've been reading lots of buzz about this one. This one is called Give Me Some Truth. This is an Own Voices title as well. I've read the first couple of chapters. I couldn't help it. It is really, really good. So I'm going to read the inside cover for you because what I say can't describe adequately how awesome this book is. Carson Mastick is entering his senior year of high school and desperate to make his mark on the reservation and off. A rock band and winning the local battle of the bands with its first prize of a trip to New York City is his best chance. But things keep getting in the way. Small matters like the lack of an actual band or the fact that his brother just got shot in the butt confronting the racist owner of a local restaurant. Maggie Bucani has just moved back to the reservation from the city with her family. She's dying to stop making the same traditional artwork her family sells to tourists, stop feeling out of place in her new old home, and stop being treated like a child. She might like to fall in love for the first time too. Carson and Maggie, along with their friend Lewis, will navigate loud protests, even louder music, and first love in this stirring novel about coming together in a world defined by difference. That's called Give Me Some Truth. I can't wait to finish reading this one. I hope you give it a chance too. Another book that I actually did finish listening to last year. This one has won the Stonewall Award for YA titles. This one I listened to last year, and it didn't take me very long because it is a novel in verse. I think it's a very quick read. It's about discovering yourself and how you fit in your world. Bonus, it takes place in London, which is one of my favorite places. So again, we can travel to other places even when we physically can't right now. The Black Flamingo. Let's let's do one more for this video, and then you can watch the third one. So the next book in Welch's Love and Gelato series, and in the brand new one, Love and Olives, you get to travel to Greece. So fans of romance and travel and some little bit of drama and some humor, you might like this series. If you haven't started it already, give it a chance. Thank you for joining me for the second of 3 January unboxing videos. I'll also be making some book talk videos as well for this month, so keep a lookout for those. If these titles sound interesting to you, you can give us a call or send us an email or visit our online catalog to place them on hold to pick them up here at the library. Thank you.